Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to change the background of your Instagram story. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture on top left corner to add a story. First click a random picture. Now tap on the draw icon on top right corner. Now select a color and long press on the screen and it will create a background. Now let's try it again with another color. At the top of the screen you'll see many options. Now if you select the second one, select a color and long press on the screen. You'll see this option also creates a solid color background. Now if we choose the third one and do the same thing again, and there is also an erase option. If you long press the screen it will erase. Now let's try the third option again, and you can see it creates a slight transparent background. Now let's try the fourth one. This option also creates a solid background. Now let's try the last one. Select a color and long press on the screen. And that's how you can change your background of your Instagram story. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.